To account for waste, a carpenter needs to order 120% of the total wood expected to be used to make a cabinet. If 15 feet of white oak is expected to be used, it's probably 15 board feet, I'm guessing, whatever. 15 feet of white oak is expected to be used, how much should he order? So this is made a little bit more complicated just by the fact that there's some context to the numbers, but the same sort of technique can be used. You need to look for your equation in here, and the equation is going to be somewhere that some sort of statement in the problem that relates these numbers that we're describing. So you need to order 120% of the total wood expected. That's going to give you the amount to order equals amount to order. So a lot of these word problems, it's just a matter of kind of reading through here and figuring out where your equation is. So the next step would be to take this 120% of the total wood expected is the amount to order, kind of putting the rest of this together. Well, we know that the 15 feet is the amount expected to be used. So this right here is that number, the amount to be expected. So 120% of 15 feet is the amount to order. I'm kind of taking a midway step between it being strictly a word problem and it being strictly an equation, just to kind of show how things are evolving here. 120%, I'll go ahead and write this as, well, move my decimal place 2 places to the left to get rid of my percent symbol. So 1.2 times 15 is the amount to order. And you can see there's actually not a whole lot to do in this problem once I've done that translation. I'll just go ahead and do 1.2 times 15, which gives me 18. So you'll want to order 18 feet. 18 board feet, or I don't know exactly. 18 feet by a certain width, whatever it ends up being.